One of the advantages from digital drawing is you can just easily do shadings and lighting without having to mess around with the base color. So first, we'll start with shading. So what you want to do is make a new layer, create it above the color layer, and then you want to change the layer type into multiply, and then choose the color of the shading you want. I recommend you like a cool gray or something, just a light cool gray. And then now all you have to do is just do the shading that you wanted. For example, here under the neck, then over here, right here, then here, over here too. And then right here, like for easy, like so you don't mess up the color, you can just select the base color so you can't mess up the color. It stays in the line, stays in the color that you wanted to shape. There we go. Oh wait, maybe a little bit in the eyes. Over here, like that. The other one. Oops. Wait. I made a mistake. There we go. And the other eye. There we go. Just a little bit messed up there. Okay. So there we go. That's the shading. Next, oh, let me rename the layer to shade. Shade. And then next, you can also do lighting. So what you want to do is make another layer, create a new one. Let me change the name into light. And then you change the layer type into overlay. So for shading you use multiply, and then light you use overlay. And then choose the color for the lighting you want. I recommend like a warm light color, like a yellowish white or something, or cream color maybe. Why I'm choosing a light warmer color is because it will actually pop out much more than when you use a cooler color. Just let's start from the hair. Increase the size of my brush. There we go. Right here. Notice the color of the shading doesn't. I mean the light. The color of the lighting doesn't matter if it's a cool color or a warm color, because this is the overlay of this color. The color actually turns into cool color automatically because of the overlay layer. And just simply shade the hair like that. There we go. That should be enough. And then for the skin tone, just do here on the cheeks a little bit. And a little bit on the lips. Oops. Over here too. And then just anywhere that you wanted to do the lighting. Right here too, for example. And then now for the eyes. Just like that. The other one. And there we go. Simple as that. See? Now I'm gonna try with a different hair color this one. I'm going for like a warmer color. Let's try the lighting here. Make a new layer, change the layer into overlay, rename it into light. Okay. Look at that. It works just fine. Doesn't matter if it's a warmer color, doesn't matter if it's a cooler color. There we go. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.